On June 26th, we are hosting a live, in-person, exclusive workshop right here. We're going to give you the tools you need to walk out of here and use them immediately. I've gone to a lot of AI events, and every one of them confused me more than anything else. I just learned a whole bunch. Do this, do this, do this. I found a person that simplified everything. And I said, you're my guy. I said, I need you to teach the world this, because everybody's trying to teach the complicated stuff of everything that it does, but not how to bring it together and make it useful for you on a daily basis. We're going to teach you how to win a listing before you ever go on the listing appointment. Hey Jen, I got so fired up about Hey Jen a couple years ago, and I'm looking at it, I'm doing this and I'm doing that. I never used it. No one ever said this is what you do to make it work. It's not that difficult. We're going to show you that as well. We're also going to build you a seller funnel. I've heard that said a lot of times. Oh, this one does this one. This one does this. We're going to do it for you. Bring your laptop. I believe in simplicity. Simplicity wins. I watch people try to get so complicated with things. And when they do that, they sit there and they don't do anything. We've built this whole system, this AI system, to be simple for you to use and implement, not in a couple of weeks, not in a couple of months. I'm talking immediately when you walk out the door, you're going to have access to it, to go for it. I want you to join our team. I got more tools than just that. How about content creation? I can show you how to do content creation where it makes sense. I got into this business and it was like, you got to do content creation. You got to do content creation. You got to, okay, cool. Everybody's saying you got to do it, but how do you do it? Can somebody please simplify it? No one did. Finally, I found another guy. He simplified. I said, I want you. You're on my team. Now we've built a system to simplify so you can go out and do content creation just like that and use the AI tools that go with it. June 26th will be right here. But before that, reach out to me, call me. Let's talk. Let's walk through all of this and see how I can look under the hood and help you build something like this. Go get yours. I'm getting mine.